One. Hey guys, it's Demo here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a small hole, or I don't even know what you'd call this, an indention in the drywall. So recently this part right here was leaking very badly, and so we had a plumber come in and fix it, but in the process he managed to mess up our drywall very badly. As you can see, I took the shower head off just so you guys could see a little better, and you can see this has a lot of buildup on it. This will be in a future video showing you how to get that stuff off. But as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be showing you how to fix drywall. This is some joint compound, but we're going to be using that with one of these little scraper things, and we're going to actually be fixing that. Really, I know this looks really bad all around here, but all we need for it to do is go over this and basically cover it up so it doesn't look so bad. And then, you know, we can maybe paint it later, but it is in the bathroom, so we're really the only people that see it, and I won't really mind. This just drives me nuts. So now we have some of the joint compound on there, and so we'll just cake it on right there, and it's going to take quite a bit. But what we're going to do is we're going to get it over that hole and then go down, making it flush with the wall. Don't worry about making a mess. It comes off very easily. But we're just going to continue to do that, and we're basically going to shove more and more compound in there until it doesn't take anymore, and we make it very flat and very nice looking, just like that. So I will be right back after I get this all smoothed out so you guys can actually see. Okay guys, we're finally done. As you can see, I reinstalled the shower head and actually got that little cover back on. And at first glance, you really can't tell that I did anything. But right there is where the fix is. The shadow makes it look a lot worse than what it is. So I guess now all I need to do is get some paint if I wanted to make it all look great. But since it is in our bathroom, probably just leave it. But yeah, now that hole's fixed and it does look a lot better. Thank you guys for tuning in for our little tips and tricks. Stay tuned because like I said, we'll be fixing the shower head next, getting all this grime and nasty stuff off. It's really cheap, it's really easy. So tune in for that video, and that's it. Thanks.